Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your study abroad budget with Bank of America step by step clearly. To reset your study abroad budget with Bank of America, start by logging into your online account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Bank of America website. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab. Select the checking or savings account that you will use for your study abroad expenses. On the Account Overview page, look for the option labeled Budgeting Tools or Manage Budget. Click on this option to access your budgeting features. Next, find the section specifically for editing or resetting your budget. Select the option to reset budget or start over. You may be prompted to confirm your choice to reset your budget. Review any information provided about the reset process and confirm if it meets your needs. Once confirmed, your budget will be reset to its default settings. After the reset, input your new anticipated expenses for your study abroad experience. Consider the costs of tuition, housing, daily living, and travel. Make sure to allocate funds for unexpected expenses as well. As you input your expenses, use the budgeting tools to categorize each item clearly. Once all expenses are entered, review your budget to ensure accuracy. Save your new budget settings to finalize the changes. Periodically, revisit your budget to make adjustments as necessary. Utilize Bank of America's tracking tools to monitor your spending while abroad. Stay engaged with your budget to ensure you remain within your financial limits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.